Welcome back! In today's video, we're exploring the newest Amazon kitchen gadgets designed to make cooking in 2025 an absolute breeze. From time-saving tools to stress-reducing must-haves, we've got everything you need to upgrade your kitchen game. All product links are in the description below, so let's dive right in. Picture this. It's a busy evening and dinner feels like a chore, but then you fire up the New Wave Infrared Primo Grill oven. Fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. This powerhouse cooks evenly with surround convection and a smart thermometer to nail the perfect temp. Grill juicy steaks on the non-stick base while the Power Dome locks in flavor. It's not just cooking, it's effortless, fast, and delicious. One appliance, endless possibilities. Dinner just got smarter and tastier. It's a chilly evening and the craving for a warm bowl of soup hits. Instead of reaching for a can, you grab the Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker. With fresh ingredients from your fridge, you add them to the 1.2-liter stainless steel container, choose one of 6 preset programs, and press start. In less than 18 minutes, the Soup Pro technology delivers a perfectly smooth, piping hot soup. Cleanup is a breeze, and the included recipe book keeps ideas fresh for next time. Simple, quick, and delicious. Waking up to the smell of fresh homemade bread. It's not just a dream anymore with the Cuisinart bread maker. This compact yet powerful machine handles everything from mixing to baking, delivering 2-pound loaves with ease. Its customizable settings let you create the perfect crust, whether it's classic white or hearty whole grain. The sleek silver and black design fits any kitchen, and cleanup is effortless. From busy mornings to cozy dinners, this bread maker is your ultimate kitchen ally. Grilling steaks, baking pastries, or brushing BBQ sauce onto ribs. Everything feels effortless with the silicone basting brush and oil dispenser in one. This vibrant orange tool combines precision and convenience, delivering just the right amount of oil or sauce with no mess. Its heat-resistant silicone bristles handle high temperatures like a pro, making it perfect for BBQs and baking alike. Durable, easy to clean, and gift-worthy. It's the ultimate addition to any kitchen or smoker setup. Baking day just leveled up. With the electric stand mixer in sleek onyx black, I tackled cookies, bread, and whipped cream effortlessly. Its 10 speeds let me mix dough to perfection, while the tilt head design made switching the whisk, dough hook, and beater a breeze. The 5.5 quart bowl handled big batches like a champ. Sturdy, stylish, and versatile, this 3-in-1 mixer feels like having a sous chef in your kitchen. Perfect for daily cooks or ambitious bakers. Mornings just got brighter with the citrus juicer in blue. From tangy lemons to sweet oranges, this compact manual juicer squeezes every drop of juice with ease. Its two-way design adapts to different fruits, and the portable cup is perfect for fresh juice on the go. Whether prepping for recipes or enjoying a quick vitamin boost, cleanup is a breeze. Lightweight, functional, and charmingly simple. This little juicer brings big convenience to your kitchen. Got a small kitchen or a mountain of dishes? The blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander is your new best friend. This smart, expandable strainer lets you wash veggies, drain pasta, and dry dishes, all without taking up precious counter space. The sleek teal color looks great, and the design is super practical. It fits perfectly over your sink, making it a space saver and a game changer for busy cooks. Ideal for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen routine. You know that feeling when you bake the perfect loaf of bread, but slicing it evenly feels impossible. The new upgraded bread slicer changes the game. With an adjustable width guide, you can cut uniform slices every time, whether you're dealing with bread, bagels, or cakes. Plus, it's foldable for easy storage and includes a crumb tray to keep things tidy. It's like having a personal bakery assistant right in your kitchen, making homemade bread even more rewarding. If you've ever tried making meatballs, you know how tedious shaping them can be. The Meatball Master makes this process so much easier. In minutes, you can turn 2.2 pounds of meat into 32 perfectly sized meatballs, each 1 ounce. No more uneven cooking. Thanks to its design, all the meatballs cook evenly. Bonus, you can freeze them for later, so prep is quick and convenient for future meals. This tool is a lifesaver for any busy home cook. Peeling vegetables has never been this easy or fun. The 4 pieces finger vegetable peeler set fits comfortably on your fingers, offering a perfect grip as you tackle pumpkins, carrots, cucumbers, and potatoes. The rubber grip makes it feel like a natural extension of your hand, while the vibrant colors add a little pop to your kitchen. It's super comfortable, making repetitive peeling tasks quick and effortless. If you're tired of slipping and struggling with traditional peelers, this is the upgrade you need. Cooking with garlic just got a whole lot easier thanks to this garlic crusher press. This sleek black tool is designed to crush garlic effortlessly. No more fumbling with awkward presses or getting garlic stuck in crevices. Just twist and you're done. The easy clean design makes it simple to wash, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. Say goodbye to messy hands and hello to more flavor in your dishes. All thanks to this multifunctional BPA-free kitchen essential. The large Crinkle cutter makes slicing through vegetables a breeze. With its stainless steel wavy blade, it effortlessly creates perfectly crinkled fries and adds texture to any dish. The comfortable handle ensures great control, making it easy to slice through potatoes, carrots, and more with precision. Whether you're prepping for a snack or a meal, this tool becomes an essential in the kitchen, making every crinkle cut experience smooth and efficient. In the middle of prepping a big meal, the Full-Star vegetable chopper comes in as a game changer. This versatile tool takes the hassle out of chopping, slicing, and spiralizing. Whether it's onions, carrots, or zucchini, the sharp blades do all the hard work, and the container catches everything neatly. No more mess or uneven slices. With its compact design and easy storage, this 4-in-1 chopper becomes an essential kitchen gadget that makes cooking faster and more enjoyable. Cooking the perfect batch of rice just became effortless with the KitchenAid grain and rice cooker. Imagine setting it up, adding your grains, and letting the cooker's automatic sensing technology do all the work. With its integrated scale and water tank, you get perfect measurements every time. Whether it's a family dinner or meal prepping, the 8-cup capacity ensures there's enough to go around. Quick, easy, and perfectly cooked grains every time. The Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker is about to become your new best friend. With just a press of a button, you can create everything from gelato to milkshakes, and even smoothie bowls. The magic happens with 7 one-touch programs, making it easy for anyone to use. The compact size fits right into your kitchen, and the 2-pint containers mean no more fighting over the last scoop. Get ready to serve up frozen fun and keep the whole family happy. Cooking can get messy, but Linda's Essential silicone stove gap covers are here to make cleanup easier. Imagine a seamless fit between your stovetop and counter thanks to these heat-resistant black silicone guards. They fill those annoying gaps and stop crumbs and spills from slipping through. Plus, they're super easy to clean. Whether you're cooking up a storm or just want a more polished kitchen, these gap covers will keep your space neat and tidy. Peeling corn off the cob just became a whole lot easier with the corn cob stripper. Picture this, a quick twist and those kernels are neatly removed without any mess. The bright yellow tool has a safety handle for a firm grip, and the attached bowl catches every kernel, keeping your countertop clean. Whether it's for a fresh salad or corn on the cob, this tool saves you time and effort. The perfect addition to any kitchen for corn lovers. Ever struggled to scoop pasta out of a pot without making a mess? The Good Grips Pasta Scoop Strainer changes that. With its long handle, you can easily scoop and strain your pasta, whether it's spaghetti or delicate tortellini, using just one hand. The large capacity scoop also works for veggies or poached eggs. Plus, the ergonomic handle feels comfortable, even during longer cooking sessions. Clean up a breeze too, since it's dishwasher safe, a must-have for pasta lovers. Feeding toddlers can be a challenge, especially when it comes to small fruits like grapes. Enter the Leuven Grape Cutter for toddlers, a game changer for parents. This nifty tool slices grapes, tomatoes, cherries, and strawberries into 4 perfect pieces, making them safe and bite-sized for little mouths. The stainless steel blades ensure precision, while the compact design fits easily in your kitchen. Whether it's fruit salad or snacks, this tool adds convenience and peace of mind to your day. Ever dreamed of creating the perfect blooming onion at home? With the Cook's Choice Onion Blossom Maker, it's a reality. This all-in-one set includes a blooming onion slicer and a messy-free batter breading station, making prep a breeze. Picture yourself effortlessly slicing, breading, and frying a crispy golden bloom that's perfect for game day or any celebration. It's the ultimate tool for creating mouthwatering appetizers without the hassle. Fun, easy, and delicious. Thanks for watching, Kitchen Gadget Geeks. If you enjoyed discovering these newest Amazon kitchen gadgets, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing finds. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!